Jupiter 2. How to replace the power supply. Turn the power switch off. Unplug the power supply cable. Open the front door. Lift the automatic resin feeding inlet. Remove the 2 knob screws. Remove the resin tank. Seal the inlet with a bag and a cable tie to avoid the resin drips. Close the front door. Unplug the cable of the automatic resin feeding inlet and the automatic resin feeding tube. Remove the automatic resin feeding bottle and put it on the table temporarily. Note: hold the automatic resin feeding tube and keep the tube upward to prevent the resin from dripping. Seal the inlet with a bag and a cable tie to avoid the resin drips. Release and remove the 5 screws securing the right cover with a 2 mm Allen key. Remove the right cover. Lift the cover of the power supply cable. Loosen the 5 screws securing the power supply cables with a Phillips screwdriver. Unplug the power supply cables. Hold the power supply. Release and remove the 3 screws securing the power supply with a 2.5 mm Allen key. Remove the old power supply. Install the new power supply. Get the new power supply and put it in the installation position. Tighten the 3 screws securing the power supply. Lift the cover of the power supply cable. Loosen the screws securing the power supply cables. Plug in the cables according to the labels. Connect the red wire, labeled L, to the L port. Connect the black wire labeled N to the N port. Connect the yellow wire labeled GND to the grounding port. Connect the black wire labeled V to the COM port. Connect the red wire labeled V+ to the V+ port. Put the right cover in the installation position. Tighten the 5 screws securing the right cover. Cut off the cable tie securing the automatic resin feeding tube with a pair of pliers. Restore the automatic resin feeding bottle. Note: hold the automatic resin feeding tube and keep the tube upward to prevent the resin from dripping. Insert the automatic resin feeding tube. Secure the end of the tube with a clamp. Plug in the cable of the automatic resin feeding inlet. Open the front door. Get the resin tank and put it in the installation position. Tighten the 2 knob screws. Remove the bag and the cable tie secured at the opening of the automatic resin feeding inlet. Restore the automatic resin feeding inlet. Close the front door. Plug in the power supply cable. Turn the power switch on. Make sure that the touchscreen can be enabled. The printer is ready for use after the self-check.